Google just dropped something that could make textbooks extinct. It's called Learn Your Way, and students using it remember 78% more than regular studying. Today I'm showing you exactly what this thing does and why it might beat NotebookLM. Let's go. So here's what's happening right now. Google Research just released Learn Your Way. It's powered by something called LearnLM, and it's not just another PDF tool. This thing transforms any PDF into 5 different learning formats. 5. Think about that for a second. You upload your textbook, boom, you get summaries, you get flashcards, you get Q&A sessions, you get interactive notes, you get video style explanations, all customized to how you learn best. And the data behind this is insane. Students using Learn Your Way scored 78% retention, regular studying only 67%. That's a massive jump. That's not just a little better, that's game changing. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now, let me break down why this matters, because retention is everything. You can read a whole book, but if you don't remember it 3 days later, what's the point? You wasted your time. This tool fixes that problem. It makes your brain actually keep the information, not just read it and forget it. So what exactly is Learn Your Way? It's a tool from Google Research that takes your PDFs and turns them into personalized learning content. But here's where it gets interesting. It gives you 5 different formats to learn from. Let me walk you through each one. First, you get summaries, clean, simple breakdowns of the main points. Second, flashcards, perfect for quick review and testing yourself. Third, Q&A sessions. You can ask questions and get answers based on the content. Fourth, interactive notes. These aren't just static text. They respond to how you learn. Fifth, video style explanations, visual breakdowns that help you see the concepts. And here's the kicker. All of this is instant. You don't spend hours making flashcards by hand. You don't waste time highlighting and rereading. The AI does the heavy lifting. You just focus on learning. Now, let's talk about how this thing actually works under the hood. Learn Your Way uses LearnLM. That's a language model optimized specifically for learning outcomes. It's not just a chatbot. It's designed to help you remember things better. It reads your PDF intelligently. It understands the structure. It knows what's important and what's not. Then it creates learning tools that actually work. The AI processes the content and generates multiple output formats. But here's what makes it special. It personalizes based on your progress. If you're struggling with one concept, it adapts. If you're crushing through another section, it moves faster. It's like having a tutor that knows exactly where you are. And if you want to scale your business and automate your workflow with AI tools like Learn Your Way, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where you learn how to save hundreds of hours with AI automation and get more customers. Learn Your Way is just one example of how AI is changing education and business. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, you'll discover how to use these cutting-edge tools to transform your entire operation. Link is in the description. Now let me show you what this looks like in action. Imagine you upload a chapter from your textbook. The PDF goes in within seconds. Learn Your Way analyzes the entire thing. It pulls out the key concepts. It identifies the important facts. It creates questions that test your understanding. Then boom, you've got your study guide ready. You've got flashcards ready to go. You can start reviewing immediately. No setup time, no manual work, just instant learning materials. And this is where it gets really powerful. You can choose how you want to learn. Feeling visual today? Use the video style explanations. Need quick review? Hit the flashcards. Want to test yourself? Go with the Q&A. The tool adapts to your mood and your learning style. That's something traditional textbooks can't do. Now here's where things get interesting. Let's compare this to NotebookLM. NotebookLM has been the go-to AI tool for PDFs. Everyone's been using it. It's good at summaries. It can pull out information. But Learn Your Way takes it further. NotebookLM gives you summaries. Learn Your Way gives you summaries plus flashcards plus Q&A plus interactive notes plus visual explanations. NotebookLM is one-dimensional. Learn Your Way is 5-dimensional. And look, I'm not saying NotebookLM is bad. It's not. It's actually pretty good at what it does. The audio outputs are solid. The summarization works well. But it stops there. It gives you information, but it doesn't help you remember it. That's the gap. Learn Your Way fills that gap. It takes you from consuming information to actually retaining it. That's the difference between reading something and learning something. Think about it like this. NotebookLM is like having notes from class. Learn Your Way is like having a personal tutor who creates custom study materials based on how your brain works. Both are useful, but one is clearly more powerful. One helps you pass the test. The other helps you master the material. That's why this is such a big deal. And here's the big difference. Learn Your Way has actual retention data. 78% retention versus 67% for traditional studying. That's real science. That's real proof that this works. NotebookLM doesn't have that kind of data backing it up. Learn Your Way does. That matters when you're trying to actually learn something and remember it. But let's talk about why this is bigger than just studying. This could disrupt the entire textbook industry. Think about it. Students learn faster with this. Teachers can teach smarter with this. PDFs stop being static and start being interactive. Information stops being locked in pages and starts being accessible in multiple formats. This isn't just an upgrade. This is a complete shift in how learning works. Now, let me give you some tips on how to use this thing the right way, because just having the tool isn't enough. You need to use it strategically. First, use the daily summaries feature. Review your content every single day. Small doses work better than cramming. Second, revise with flashcards regularly. Spaced repetition is how you lock information into long-term memory. Third, make your Q&A sessions interactive.